And what is up, awesome people? So in today's video, we're going to look at NewBeeDrone's Nitro Nectar 300mAh 1S LiPo, and these comes with the new NX69 LiPo connectors. So this 300mAh LiPo is actually an HV LiPo, so that means that it actually charged up to 4.35 volts. Also, it comes with the new NX69 connectors, which are said to be better than the A20 connector. So I'm quite excited to see how this one goes. Now, one box of this consists of 4 LiPos, and it also comes with one piece female connector, and this is especially for your tiny whoop. Looking at the LiPo itself, that black and gold makes it look so premium. And really loving how the way it's packaged, and looks like lots of effort has been put into this packaging. Now, this NX69 connector would actually go into the normal PH 2.0 battery charger. For example, I have this Vifly battery charger that would actually fit a PH 2.0, and this NX69 fits into the PH 2.0, which is a plus point for most of us who actually have chargers like these. Now, I'm going to be flying this with the 2024 Mobula 6, and I have replaced the connector with the NX69 connector. I've removed the A20 connector that was there before. So it is said that the NX69 connector is much better than the A20 connector. So we'll just take a look and see how it goes. Well, now that it's all done, let's head out to the field. So the NX69 connectors have been put up onto the tiny whoop, and this is the 65mm Mobula 6 with the crown antennas. I'm quite curious to know how this will fly, and I've heard lots about this. Quite excited. 300mAh HV LiPo from NewBeeDrone. It's been a while since I actually flew analog, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Right, so that was actually pretty pleasant. Now, one of the issues I found to be quite annoying is that this connector, it's really hard to come off, which is kind of good and bad at the same time. Good, the fact that when you crash, you know for sure that this will not come off. Bad, because when you want to pull out the plug, it is hard to pull. Like, you gotta have like really muscular fingers. But otherwise, well, I think we can live with it. I rather have a Whoop whose connector doesn't come off compared to one that comes off easily in case you crash. I get about 1 to 2 minutes ish on the A20 connector, but I'm getting about 2 to 3 minutes with the NX69. Also, with that NewBeeDrone lipo, it's not too bad. This is the nectar. It's not too bad. Highly recommend this, especially if you guys are out in the US. Yeah, this is easily available for you, and for those of you who are not, I still recommend them too. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Until the next one, thank you all for watching and see you guys again soon. Ciao.